Hello, and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the stone Green Aventurine. This is the stone of heart healing. For those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. I really appreciate your continued support and your comments that you leave on the videos. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And today, this knowledge session will focus on Green Aventurine. Green Aventurine is a type of quartz, and it's differentiated from regular quartz in that it has tiny little pieces of mica in it that give it this shimmery, kind of glittery appearance. And that's what makes aventurine. And this comes in many different colors, but today we're talking about green. Aventurine itself shares some common benefits. But since this is green, this will be focusing more on the heart center. And today I'm wearing aventurine to really get that green aventurine feeling. I have this pendant here, and I have a green aventurine bracelet. And these are both available in my Etsy store. The link is in the description below. And if you, the bracelet comes with a little gemstone. So if you're interested in working with green aventurine more, then this is a good starter piece to help you sit through the meditations or just get a feel for its energy. Green aventurine is the stone of heart healing. And today I'm going to talk about 4 primary benefits of green aventurine that you can incorporate in your everyday life. And the first benefit of green aventurine is that it helps you keep an energetic balance. It balances all of the energies in your body. It helps them flow evenly, so it balances all of your chakras, your meridians, your masculine, feminine energies, your yin-yang energies. So if you're feeling off kilter, you're not quite sure why, then sitting with aventurine will help give yourself this energetic reset. Bring yourself back to equilibrium. And with this, it gives you a sense of calm and peace and ease because everything's flowing properly and evenly again. The second benefit of green aventurine is heart healing. And this is a great stone for when you are recovering from heartache, if you have heart pain. And it's not just love relationship, but it does help if you're recovering from a breakup, but also if you're having a difficult relationship with a family member, you've had to end a friendship. This is all about healing from those relationships. And what aventurine helps to do is it creates this healing space around your heart. And it's not the same as building up a barrier around your heart. It gives you a space to heal, to comfort you as you are recovering from your heartache. This also, it helps you let go of this relationship, any attachments that you might still have to it, but it also protects you. So maybe the other person doesn't want to end the relationship and they really have formed this energetic attachment to you. Then this stone helps to release those attachments that they have on you. And these energetic attachments can have a real physical effect on you of draining your energy and keeping you low. And aventurine will help protect you from that and to just help dissolve everything that remains unresolved in this relationship. It helps you let go. The third benefit of aventurine is that it helps to heal the healer. It's great for therapists, physicians, energy healers, anybody who works with clients to help heal them on a regular basis. For one, it helps to keep the energy from the client from attaching to you, so that as the healer, you're not accumulating their off-balance energies. It also helps to keep you from feeling depleted because you're giving of yourself, of your energies, of your time to this client all day long. So it helps keep you from feeling lethargic and drained at the end of the day. But this, as a healer, aventurine helps bring one back into balance. So aventurine helps you bring your clients back into balance, their energies, their health, their well-being. It supports your process as a healer. This also transmits negative energy into positive. So it helps a client go from illness back to health. This isn't the transmutation of the energy isn't as dramatic as it would be with like black tourmaline or citrine. It's very gentle. It's very soft transmutation of these energies. So if you are a healer, this helps benefit you as a healer. It helps benefit your client as a healer. It helps keep your healing environment in balance and positive. So it's a really great stone overall if you are in the healing business. And the fourth and final benefit of aventurine is that it also attracts abundance and prosperity. But since this is a heart stone, this is less about financial prosperity, but more about life and happiness prosperity. Like aventurine is green. It's like the color of growth, of plants, of plenitude. So that's what it's bringing into your life. So if you're looking to attract more love, more friendship, joy, happiness, aventurine is going to help bring that into your life. And it helps you in the whole process of love. So it helps you heal if you're in heartache. And once you have healed from the end of that relationship and you're looking for more love or more friendship in your life, then it attracts it to you when you need it. So aventurine is, it's a whole heart stone. It helps at every stage. But all aventurine promotes balance and healing, no matter what color. But green in particular is about bringing love and happiness and joy and all of those things that make our heart full and happy and healthy into our lives. So if that sounds like you could benefit from aventurine, then definitely pick up some aventurine and work with that. But also, I'll be posting a guided meditation with green aventurine in 2 days. I focus on a new gemstone every week on this channel. If you're new to my videos, on Thursdays, I post a video about the benefits of a particular gemstone. And on Saturday, I post a guided meditation with that gemstone. So if green aventurine calls to you, then you can start working with it more and more in the meditation. Now, you don't need a gemstone to sit through the guided meditation. You can just sit through it, see if anything calls to you, speaks to you, or triggers you. And if so, then that's a good indication that this is a gemstone that you should explore more. Well, thank you so much for joining me in this deep dive into green aventurine. And I really hope to see you during the guided meditation. Thank you.